This is Online GED Teacher, and in this video we are going to go over our GED Math Worksheet of the month. Every month we post new worksheets for you to work on. In general it's math, but it's not always math, but this time we are doing GED Math for the month of July 2020. So when you take a look at this worksheet here, you can simply go to my website, mygedlive.com. That's mygedlive.com, and you can download this worksheet. It's free. And so what I'm going to be doing on the channel here is each month I'm going to be posting a new video each week, and the video is going to be covering one of the questions from this worksheet. So the question I'm going to do in this video is question number 5. So let's just move that over and give me some space to work here. So I'm just going to rewrite that 11 plus x over x plus 12 equals 0.96. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get rid of this fraction, right? We want everything on a single line because it's going to be easier for us to work out that problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply each side by x plus 12. Why? Because when I multiply this side by x plus 12, that's going to cancel that out. And then I'm going to do some multiplication over here, but then that's going to have the effect of getting everything on a single line. So this side, x plus 12, and then this side, x plus 12. And as I mentioned to you, I use a different color for emphasis, but that will cancel out. And then that's going to come down here and bring me 11 plus x. And then that's going to give me 0.96 times x. And then 0.96 times 12 equals 11.52. So now I'm going to go ahead and I want to do the opposites, right? Because our whole goal was to get x down here, x equals something, because we're trying to solve for x. So we have to keep that in mind. That's what we're doing here. So now what I'm going to do is I want to get my x over here and I want to get my numbers over there. And so the way we do that is by combining like terms. So because 11 and 11.52 are not the same, but they're alike because they're just whole numbers, I'm going to do the opposite of this. So the opposite of that is 11, and when I do it over here to this side, I also have to do it here to this side, minus 11. So then that leaves me x 0.96x plus 0.52. Now, the next thing I want to do, I want to combine like terms, and so x and 0.96x, they're not the same, but they're like because they both include the variable x. So I want to move this by doing this opposite. So I'm going to do 0.96x as a subtraction. And again, because I do it to that side, I also come over here and do it to that side. So then that's going to leave me over here. Actually, let me erase this. All right, get rid of that. Give me some more room to work here. Point x. So the other thing is you have to see that there's an imaginary 1 here. We don't see it, but it's there. We can actually write it, but you always assume if it's just an x, it's 1x. So 0.96 minus that, so it's like 1 minus 0.96 gives us 0.04x, and then that cancels out, so then that gives us 0.52. And so again, we're working, just continue to whittle this problem down by doing the opposites. So now here, because I have 0.04x, this is multiplication. 0.04 is multiplying by x. So what I want to do is I want to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So I'm going to divide that by 0.04. And again, because I do it to the side over here, I have to come over here and do it as well. Divide by 0.04. So these are going to cancel out, just leaving me with x, or just 1x. And so let me just get a different color for emphasis, just to kind of show you where I'm going. Kind of run out of space here on this screen. So that gives me x, and then 0.52 divided by 0.04 equals 13. So then our answer would be x equals 13. So now just a quick review. So we started off with this problem here, number 5, and then our goal was to get everything on one line. So we multiplied it by x plus 12 so that could cancel out. And then we did the multiplication because this is equal. So what I do over here, I have to do over here to keep it all equal and balanced. So we crossed that out. That gave me 11 plus x here. I distributed 0.96 times x, and then 0.96 times 12. And then from there, I walked through combining each term by doing its opposite. So this was minus 11. So I also did minus 11 here. This was 0.96x. So I subtracted it here and also did it here. This was x multiplied by 0.04. I divided by 0.04. And because I did it over here, I also did it here. And then that gave me x equals 13. I hope this helps. Continue to work on this worksheet throughout the course of this month. And next week, I will post a new video doing another one of these questions that is on this worksheet. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to know when these videos are going to show up on my channel, please subscribe. And then however you have your notifications set up, you'll be notified. Thank you.